Running 3 services manually means 8 or more Docker run commands, each with its own network flags, volume mounts, environment variables, and restart policies. Docker Compose solves this with a single YAML file and one command. The services block is the heart of Docker Compose. YAML, each key under it defines one container. Use the image key to pull a pre-built image from Docker Hub, or the build key to build from a local Docker file. Ports maps container ports to your host, and volumes mounts named volumes or bind mounts for persistent data. The env file key loads environment variables from a .env file, keeping passwords and API keys completely out of your YAML. The networks key places this service on a named custom bridge network, so the API fetcher can reach the database by service name, not by IP address. It depends on key controls, startup order. The API fetcher waits for the database container to start first, but depends on only checks that the container has started, not that the database inside it is actually ready to accept connections. Watch Compose in action. One command, docker compose up, reads the YAML and starts all 3 services in order. We stream live logs from the API fetcher to see it working. Then docker compose down tears everything down cleanly, containers and network removed, named volume preserved. Log this in. One docker-compose.yml file replaces all those scattered docker run commands. Services, networks, volumes, and environment variables, all version controlled in one place. Docker Compose up starts everything. Docker Compose down stops it all. Your entire stack in one file.